Do you notice that your channel is not growing? That YouTube is not recommending your videos? YouTube are not recommending your channel. No views on your channel. Stuck with one view, one subscriber. Yes, there's some mistake that me and you are doing. We all depend on ChatGPT, generating description, generating topic for us. No, there's something you need to do. Have you asked, what will I do so that algorithm will keep pushing my video, or so that algorithm will start pushing my video? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what to do. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Sister Blush. In this channel, we learn and grow together. Yes, stay tuned in this video. Like I said I'm going to be showing you what to do so that algorithm will start pushing your video. Have you asked yourself, is SEO very important? And the answer is yes. YouTube SEO, it is very important on your channel. A lot of people speak against it, but it's something that I tried, and I see other persons that tried it and it worked for them. So YouTube SEO, it is very important. I repeat it again. It is very important. How do you do this? Before you create your content, please search your description, search your title. What you should do now, when you search that title, you check what that title is ranking on YouTube SEO. Check what that title is ranking. Check what the description is ranking. Then you can be able to generate. Then check the hashtag, what it is ranking. Check the ranking of that topic, how people are searching this topic. If you find out that it's going viral and people are searching that topic very well, my sister, write on that topic. Use that topic, write on it. Yes, that's one good thing that YouTube SEO does for you. It helps you to know the particular content that is going viral on YouTube, the trending content, the ranking of the content on YouTube. YouTube SEO helps you. And when you create a content using YouTube SEO, let me tell you the truth, algorithm, they know, and they are going to push that video. That video is going to go viral here on YouTube. So stay tuned. Don't miss any part of this video. I'm going to be breaking it down how to use the YouTube SEO on your Google. So stay tuned. Let's go. You log into your Google. Then you type USEO. You click on this. You see this three line by the left. You click on this three line. In this three line now, you will see keyword generator, title generator, description generator, and script generator. What it means that you can write your script here, but before you do, the first thing you should do is to search your title generator to see what that title is ranking, so that YouTube algorithm will be able to push your video. So check, get your title here, then, and see what that title is ranking. So you click on title generator. So now let me type how to get 1000 subscribers. 1000 subscribers first. Let's see what this particular topic is ranking now. Okay, get title. Let's see. Can you imagine? This particular keyword, this particular topic now is ranking 450 search volume. Competition is high. The competition on this topic is high. The potential view is 850,000. Can you see? You see that this particular topic is high now. So what you should do now, you copy this topic. You copy it. You copy it. Still go back there. Click on these three dots here. Then now, let's go and generate a script for this particular topic. You click here. You click on script generator and paste the topic that we copied. Immediately you paste it, you click generate video script. It's generating. Now our video script is ready. This is the video script. So what you should do now, this video script now, you copy this video script, take it to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, with this video script I've given you, generate an use it. You tell ChatGPT, with this video script I'm giving you now, generate an SEO ranking script with this on how to get 1,000 subscribers very fast. You see, ChatGPT will generate a magic there. You see the signs and wonders that ChatGPT will do for you. So after ChatGPT have generated that, you leave that one aside. You still use the same topic and come back to keyword generator. So let's click now and see what it will give us. You paste the topic here. You see this particular topic now, the keyword generator, this topic is ranking 450 search volume and is high. The competition is high. The competition on this topic is high. See the potential view, 1,200,000 views. That's what you see, that this topic is high. So now let's also check the description, the description generator. Let's also check. Let me paste the topic here. Okay, let me paste the topic. Okay, generate description is generating. Okay, now the description I've generated. See, look at the description that USEO gave us. So what you should do now, immediately you got this description, still copy it, take it to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT that, giving you this description, generate an SEO high ranking description with this description I've given you. You see ChatGPT, you see the magic ChatGPT will do there. Then you copy it and paste it on your description the way ChatGPT have arranged it for you. When you finish this thing and post the video, algorithm will know that you use YouTube SEO so they will push your video very well. You see that video will change. This is something that I tried, is working. I tried this and it's working for me. So you also try it. It will work for every other person that are trying it. Anybody that told you that YouTube SEO is not working, please, is a lie. Try it on your channel, try it on your page and see the difference between when you use YouTube SEO and when you create your video ordinarily like that. So try this thing and you'll thank me later. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Tutor Blush. In this channel, we learn and grow together. So stay tuned. If you have tried this and you're going to be trying it, please drop it on the comment section. So see you on my next video. Bye.